Hello everyone. My name is Nina. Welcome to my channel. I am very happy to see you here today. Thank you so much for watching this video. On this channel, you can learn English. We focus on everyday English. These lessons will help you improve. Don't worry about mistakes. Learning English takes time. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it. Your support helps us create more. Thank you for watching. Let's start learning English together.
The renovation is almost done.
Yes, the house looks new.
But look at this wall.
It is very empty.
It needs something big.
Maybe a big painting?
No, we need storage.
We have many books.
How about a bookshelf?
A floor-to-ceiling one?
Yes, a huge bookshelf.
We can put books there.
And my photo albums.
That is a great idea.
I will go buy one.
You want to go alone?
Yes, I have time today.
Choose a nice color.
Trust my taste.
Can I help you?
Yes, I need a bookshelf.
We have many different styles.
I want a large one.
Look at this model here.
It looks very tall.
It has drawers at the bottom.
That is useful for storage.
And the shelves are adjustable.
I have big art books.
You can make big spaces.
And small paperbacks, too.
You can make small spaces.
I like the drawers and shelves.
What color do you like?
Do you have white?
Yes, white is popular.
Okay, I will take it.
Do you need delivery?
Yes, please deliver it.
When is a good time?
Is Saturday morning okay?
Yes, Saturday at 10. Do you need installation service?
No, thank you. We will install it ourselves.
Are you sure? It is big.
Yes, we can do it.
Hello?
Delivery for Sarah Smith.
Yes, that is my wife.
I have 3 large boxes.
They look very heavy.
Where do you want them?
Just inside the door, please.
I will put them here.
Thank you for your help.
Please sign your name here.
Okay, signing now.
Here is your receipt.
Thanks.
Do you see this number?
The number at the bottom?
Yes, that is for after sales.
If there is a problem?
Call that number anytime.
That is good to know.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Is that my bookshelf?
Yes, it just arrived.
I am so excited.
It is 3 big boxes.
Let's open them now.
Are you ready to work?
Yes, give me the cutter.
Be careful, it is sharp.
I am cutting the tape.
Open the flaps.
Look at the white color.
It looks very clean.
It matches our wall.
You made a great choice.
Do you like it?
Yes, I really like it. But there is so much foam.
It protects the wood.
Let's take pieces out.
Place them on the floor.
We need a lot of space.
The living room is full.
Where is the manual?
It is here.
What tools do we need?
Hammer and screwdriver.
Are they in the box?
No, check your toolbox.
Where is my toolbox?
In the closet.
I have the tools.
Where are the screws?
In this plastic bag.
Did you count them?
Yes, all here.
Do not lose them.
I need a bowl.
Why need a bowl?
To hold screws.
That is smart.
Are we ready now?
Yes, let's start.
Pick up this big board.
It is very long.
Hold your end tight.
I have it. Move slowly.
Watch out for the box.
Ouch! My foot!
Oh no! Are you okay?
It hit my toe.
Sit down quickly.
It hurts so much.
Let me see. It is a little red.
I need a minute.
I will get ice.
Thank you, honey.
Just rest on the sofa.
I am sorry. I dropped it.
Don't apologize. Health first. Does the ice help?
Yes, it feels better.
Take your time.
The pain is gone now.
Are you sure?
Yes, let's finish this.
I lift the heavy board.
I hold the screws.
Hold this board vertical.
Is it straight now?
Yes, hold it there.
Here is the screw.
Turn it to the right.
Is it tight enough?
Yes, it is solid.
Now build the drawers.
How do we start?
Fold the side panels.
Like this? Fold up?
Yes, click them together.
It made a sound.
Now insert the bottom.
Slide it into groove.
Screw in the handle.
The drawer is done.
Put it in now.
Slide it on rails.
Push it in gently.
It moves very smoothly.
We are a good team.
Yes, step by step. Wait a minute.
What is wrong?
Look at part C.
It looks fine here.
The holes are up.
Check the manual again.
Look at this picture.
Oh, I see it.
The holes face down.
We installed it backwards.
We rushed too much.
You are right.
We must fix it.
Is it hard work?
No, just 4 screws.
Get the drill ready.
Set to reverse mode.
Remove the screws now.
I take the board out.
Flip it over quickly.
Put it back in.
Tighten the screws again.
Is it correct now?
Yes, perfect match.
That was fast. It is finally done.
Stand back and look.
It is huge and beautiful.
The white color is perfect.
Let's fill it up.
Put the heavy books down here.
Art books on the bottom.
Where is the photo album?
In the brown box.
Put it at eye level.
We can see memories easily.
I have some crafts too.
The ceramic vase?
Yes, put it on top.
It looks like a library.
It is so cozy now.
The empty wall is gone.
I feel so proud.
Good job, honey.
Now we can rest a bit.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it. Your support helps us create more. Thank you for watching. Let's start learning English together.